Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We hope you're all doing great. In our previous video, we discussed some trigonometric functions, and today, we will learn about some more new commands. So without further ado, let's start. The first command is nth root of any number. Let's look at the example here. The question is to find the fifth root of 80. Simply, we will type nth root, use parentheses, and write first the we have to find the root for. Here it is 80, and then use comma, and then type the root we have to find, which is fifth. The answer is 2.4022, which means if we multiply this 2.4022 5 times, then we will get the answer 79.99, which can be rounded off to 80. Let's take another example of the fifth root of 32. We will write nth root parentheses and first 32, then 5. As we get the answer 2, so that means if we multiply to 5 times, then the answer we get will be 32. The next command for today is round off command, just as we round off in our daily lives, so it works on the same principles. What happens is that MATLAB rounds to the nearest integer. Let's see an example here to understand the concept better. The example we see here is 2.097. So what happens is that if we start rounding off from the right-hand side, so the last term that would be left for us will be 2.1. And if we round it off more, then the answer would be 2. So MATLAB does the exact same thing. Let's take another example of rounding off 2.5. Well, yes, we know that now if we round it off, the answer will be 3. Let's take another example of 2.4, and the answer is 2. It is to learn that if the digit after decimal equal to 5 or greater than 5, then it will be rounded off to the nearest next integer, like here for 2.5 was 3. But if it is less than 5, then it's rounded off to the same digit as we saw in 2.4. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from the video. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care and stay tuned for more upcoming content.